Good morning. Here I am with the new story of one father and son. Father Mr. David and son Peter. Mr. David and Peter were crossing one jungle, and while crossing the jungle, Mr. David seen some boys are trying to cross one river. Mr. David were curious to know that what they people are doing. So they went, Peter and Mr. David went near to that river, and Mr. David shouted on those boys, "Why are you trying to cross that river?" So among those boys, one of the boy told Mr. David that can't you able to see there is one golden fruit is there inside the river, and we all are trying to grab that golden fruit. And when Mr. David seen that golden fruit, he also uh, he also got attracted towards that golden fruit. And for a while he started thinking something, and within few minutes he told to Peter that Peter, go and grab that golden fruit. But uh, Peter was not at all interested. He didn't want that fruit. So Mr. David explained him, Peter, can't you able to see those boys also trying to grab that golden fruit? So you should also try. And can't you able to see that golden fruit is so rare and so rare and it's a priceless. So you can just sell that golden fruit, and you can get good amount of money, and you will not you will not have to work through of your life. You can just enjoy your life and you can survive. But David was not at all interested in such type of life. But anyhow, Mr. David pushed Peter to grab that golden fruit. And because of father's wish, Peter also started journey to grab that golden fruit. So, but he was not at all interested in that, and because of lack of interest, he was just trying. Uh, he was going near to that fruit inside the river, and he was getting so difficulties to go nearby that golden fruit. But anyhow he was managing to move towards that fruit. And in one place, uh, Peter found himself stuck. He tried to move to go nearby that fruit, but he started stucking more and more. And he shouted to his father, Mr. David, to please help me out. I cannot go inside, otherwise I'll die. But Mr. David told him, Peter, can't you able to see those are the people, those are the boys, those are also trying to grab it, so you can also try it, and I know you can do it. And while trying while trying uh, one place, Peter found himself so stuck and so helpful, so helpless. So he just went inside the mud, and Peter died. Mr. David was so shocked, and Mr. David asked for help, but no one helped them. And Mr. David cried so loudly. He just lost his son. He sat there only and he just cried a lot. So there was one sadhu, he was passing nearby him, and he asked to Mr. David, what happened? What is the reason behind your sadness? What is the reason behind your crying? So Mr. David explained him everything, and after explaining that, Mr. Sadhu seen the golden fruit which were shown by Mr. David, and he just smiled, and he told Mr. David, how can you be so fool without knowing the thing, without knowing what that golden fruit is actually, why you pushed your son towards that fruit? So Mr. David replied him, I mean, I didn't get you, Sadhuji, what you wanted to tell me. That time Mr. Sadhu told Mr. David that there is no fruit over there. Mr. David got shocked more, and he shown that, can't you able to see there is a fruit over there? And Mr. Sadhu told him, see, there is a one tree nearby river, and upside of that tree there is a fruit, and the fruit which you are showing me is the shadow of that fruit, and because of sun ray it is shining and it's looking like golden fruit. And that time Mr. David was really, you know, he was he abused himself. He was helpless, and he cried more. He just he felt so bad. Without knowing anything, he just pushed his son towards the thing which he wished to grab in his life, and he lost his son. So here I wanted to say that, why parents, not only parents, why people try to push someone to achieve something what they want to achieve in their life. Your dreams, your thinking is different than the person you wanted to do that thing. His or her life is different. His or her perspective towards something is way different than you. So why you wanted to, just complete your dreams from them? Let them, do what they wish, what they want to achieve in their life. So they will feel more enjoyment, they will feel more aliveness while doing what they want, and they can surely achieve something than nothing. So thank you so much for listening me today. Have a good day. Bye bye, take care.